Hi sa tanan, I'm so excited to share with you this brand new house and lot na build and sell na project. Here there is a Barangay Ampayon, but actually as you can see, dira lang jud is ang BMC or ang Butuan Medical Center. Tama ba ko? So correct me in the comments. So excited na kayo ko. So muni ang balay. So integrated siya with the color of brown, black, and white. So the beauty of it is so gorgeous. So di ba? So muni upon entering the house, it will be amazing kayo. So actually nag-shoes off pa ko. Okay, bago pa di siya naman. So muni ang house. Look at it. Grabe ka amazing with all the chandeliers. Tapos 5'4", 5'6" akong height, and look at that. Grabe ka high ceiling. As in. Diba amazing? So upon entering the house, muna ang sala nimo, dining prefer, and then yun ang imong kitchen area. So I love it. Integrated ka siya sa kitchen mo, tapos imong morning na table or dili na countertop. And then this is a 3-bedroom house, and look at it. This is the masters. So, di ba, upon waking up, kita nimo ang imuhang gawas. Nice ka siya. Look at it. High ceiling with cove light. And then, napod kay on CR nimo. So, diri ang ato ang 2 rooms. Pero na-amaze yung ko ani kay dako ang room. Ay, napod siya eh. Oh, niya na. Kuan, window over here. Diba? Amazing. Tapos, nakatawa daw kapag sulod na ako sa balay. Hello, kahit ang CR, digital na. So, nice ka po ng team, diba? Brown and white. And then, also here in the 3rd bedroom. So, grabe yun siya ka-high ceiling. Amazing. Ah, diba? So, this is a build and sell na house project. And then, imong lanay area, actually, pwede pa ka maka-design diri kung unsay mo hang gusto. So, for more inquiries about this, do message me. Kaya I'm so excited to share with you this new project na mo, diba? So, message me for more inquiries. Bye-bye!